Hello my lovely peoples, welcome back to my channel Glamour World by Ritika. Hope you all guys are doing well. I am also doing well. So today in this video I am going to compare these two Maybelline foundations. So the one is the Fit Me foundation and the second one is the Superstay foundation. So I am going to comparing these two foundation in this video. So if you want to know everything about these two foundation, then please keep on watching. So I already tied my hair using some clips and rubber bands and also apply a little bit of primer on my both sides of the face. So today in this video I am not going to use any color correction as I want to see how much coverage the foundation gives me without color correction, that's why. So my this set will be the Fit Me one and this set will be the Superstay one. So for today's video I am going to use two different beauty blenders for two different foundations, so they just don't mix it up and ruin all the efforts I put in this video, that's why. So I am going to start the video with my Fit Me foundation. So I am in the shade 220 Natural Base. So if you already know the Fit Me shade of your skin tone, then you will find the Superstay foundation shade super easily, as the Fit Me and the Superstay foundation shade range are exactly the same, that's why. So if you already know the Fit Me shade, then just go and buy the same shade from the Superstay one. First I am going to take 2 pumps of my Fit Me one, 2 full pumps, and going to just apply on my this side. So let's just apply. So after applying one layer of Fit Me foundation, that's how much the coverage Fit Me gives you. As you can still find my acne scars in there and my dark circles a little bit. So that's why Fit Me claim to give you a medium to sheer coverage, not high coverage. So now I'm going to start with my Superstay foundation. So for the Superstay I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige as well. As I told you in the first that Fit Me and Superstay has the same shade range, that's why if you already know the shade in Fit Me, choose the same shade for the Superstay one. I'm going to take 2 pumps of the Superstay one on back of my hand. I'm going to apply on my this side, so using the different beauty blender. So let's just start. You can clearly find the difference between the Fit Me one and the Superstay one. I don't even use 2 full pumps to get this much of coverage. So let me just show you a close view. Just see. Oh my god. So now I'm going to done my full base makeup, applying powder, blush and concealer and etc, and done my eye makeup off camera. Then I'm going to come and told you about the formulation and everything. So after finishing the full makeup, like applying concealer, powder and everything, that's what my both sides looks like. Let me just show you a close view. So this set is the Superstay side. As you can see, it gives a lot more coverage than the Fit Me one. In the Fit Me one, after applying even concealer and powder, you can still see my pimple marks and pimples as well, but in here it gives you a lot more coverage, as you cannot see any scars in this area. So yeah, the Superstay one gives you a lot more coverage than the Fit Me one. So now let's talk about both of the foundations. So first I am going to start with the packaging. So I am going to start with the Fit Me foundation one. So the Fit Me foundation comes in a glass bottle and it contains a pump. So the pump added recently to the series, as I was using the Fit Me since 2018. In the back it does not contain the pump. It just comes with a plain bottle and you have to just pour it like this and use the foundation. So I like the fact that Fit Me took the decision to add pump on this foundation. The Superstay one also comes in a glass bottle, and the Superstay one contains a pump as well. Superstay foundation contains pumps from the first. So now let's talk about the prices. Fit Me foundation retails for $549, but in offer you can get this about $412 or lower than that. The Superstay foundation retails for $750, but in offer in Nykaa you can get this high coverage foundation in just $525 or more low than that. So both of the foundation blends really well to your skin. The Fit Me gives you a sheer to medium coverage, and the Superstay gives you a high coverage. That's why it retails a little bit higher than the Fit Me one, but it's okay. You can get this much of coverage without using two full pumps. So I think that's worth it, right? They both are my favorite foundations. I like to wear Fit Me foundation on regular basis, and I like to wear this foundation occasionally. So they both are my favorite in different ways. So if you are looking for a sheer to medium coverage foundation, just buy the Fit Me one. And if you are looking for a high coverage foundation under ₹500, then just buy the Superstay one. They both are affordable. They both are good foundations. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so whenever I post any video you will get the notification first. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.